What is email bounce rate? When does it occur? And what can you do to avoid it? Continue watching to find out. Hello, and welcome to Mailtrap videos, where we explore the world of emails. An email bounce happens when an email gets returned to the sender instead of being accepted by the recipient's email server. As a sender, you receive an automated bounce message indicating a delivery error and the reason behind it. Bounces can either be soft or hard. Soft bounces indicate a temporary delivery issue, such as a full mailbox, server error, or even a spam filter. If the email soft bounces, email servers will try to deliver it again. A hard bounce is a permanent delivery issue, such as an invalid email address, improperly configured authentication protocols, or blacklisted IPs. Email servers won't try to resend hard bounced emails. To learn more about the differences between soft and hard bounces, check out our dedicated video. How does an email bounce influence deliverability? Frequent bounces affect sender reputation and recipient engagement negatively, which in turn reduces deliverability rates. To avoid email bounces, use a reliable email infrastructure such as Mailtrap. With Mailtrap, you can leverage a robust monitoring system to track the bounce rates and get alerted if the bounce rates start increasing unexpectedly. That wraps up our quick overview of email bounces. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by Mailtrap, an email delivery platform to test, send, and control your email infrastructure in one place. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. More email-related content is on the way. See you there!